Hello, Legacy students. So today we're going to continue our adventure in exponents, and we're going to look at negative and zero exponents. Some needs you're going to want to have on you today. Your notes, writing utensil, and then a calculator. Very first note, zero as an exponent. Any base to the power of zero is 1. Always 1, always will be 1. So that is an easy problem at any test or quiz. So let's simplify a few of these expressions. Negative 3.6 to the 0. 1. 5 million. 1. 3 times A times B, all to the 0 power. 1. Don't be tricked on these. These are as simple as they can be. What about negative exponents? These are a little harder. To turn a negative exponent into a positive, because it's a big no-no in math to have negative exponents. You're going to cross the fraction line and change the sign of the exponent. This is going to sound a little strange. So let's take a look at it. If I have x to the negative 2, technically what you're going to do, technically you have that right now, right? So you're going to make that x to the negative 2 into a reciprocal. So you're going to take the reciprocal of it. So instead of being x to the negative 2, you're going to have 1 over x to the positive 2. So by turning the fraction around, or by putting this on the bottom, that's the way I always think. I put that to the bottom. The negative exponent makes it go to the bottom. I get a positive exponent then. So let's take a look at a few examples like this. X to the negative 2, y to the negative 3. So both of them right now have negative exponents. What you need to do, he needs to go to the top, he needs to go to the bottom. So let's flip-flop them. So I'm going to have y cubed on top, x to the, and x to the second on the bottom. Let's take a look at the next problem here. 5a to the third, b to the negative 2. So I need to take care of that b to the negative 2. Technically right now, this is what you have. You have it over 1. So you're not going to take everything though. Only the b gets to move. He's the only one with the negative exponent. So he needs to go to the bottom. So you're going to have 5a cubed on the top. They don't get to move. They don't have a negative exponent. The b to the second gets to go to the bottom. Now, what if there's a negative exponent on the top or on the bottom already? Well, he is going to move to the top. So I'm going to have 1 times x to the 5th, which is x to the 5th. Pretty simple, right? That's all I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed this nice and short video. See you later.